Alright guys, 2016 National Treasures Baseball single box random numbers round 11. Somebody from this break wins the Yankees in PYT number 21, which rips right afterwards. So good luck everybody. We'll get your numbers first, then we'll randomize 3 additional times to see who wins the Yanks. Good luck. 3 times for numbers. And I don't have a blank spreadsheet yet. That's okay, I'll take you over here anyway. So excited, I don't even have the new spreadsheet ready yet. There we go. $33 numbers looks good, man. Looks good. All right, here we go. Tommy Boy Jr. on the bottom, 1-1 on the top. 1, 2, last one. Good luck. 3. Greg Thomas, number 1, looking for a 1-1. Andy Matthews, number 99. Looking for a 99 of 99 or a redemption win. Or the Yankees spot. There you go, top 33. I don't even know what freaking Eagle Eye has. Oh, I probably freaking Allen Hinter. Oh man, F that. Alright, 34 to 66. Stuck it to Andy Matthews. Superfractor right there, Joey. Superfractor. $67 to 99. Jason H. Fractor to Andy Matthews. Yeah. Good luck. 3 more clicks. Here we go. Who's going to get the Yankees? 1, 2. Last one. Here we go. Top spot gets Yankees in PYT 21. Susie Papa. Wow, that's the second time Susie Papa has won the Yankees, I believe, in one of these breaks. Well done, Susie Papa. All right. Good luck, everybody else. Let's see what comes out of this box. Oh yeah, 0910. All right, here you go. Jet.com. What is that, Speedy? I don't know what that is. Buy airplanes on there. Like Amazon. Buy groceries on there. Oh. All right, here we go. First up, number 42 of 99, Colin McHugh, Joey Amar. I'm going to write everybody's names on these tonight, man. Save a tree. I'll print out a paper for this break. This is 62 of 99, Xander Bogaerts, St. Patrick's Day, Michael Sears. Right there, you got a hit. Michael Sears. Next card. Number 2 out of 25, Roger Maris. For 1-1. Hey, if you missed it earlier, we pulled this of Roger Maris. Pretty incredible. Want to see it? That was a Roger Maris. Alright, next up, Redemption. Everybody's got a chance. Rookie signature materials, purple, Kyle Schwarber. Schwarber. Alright, everybody's got a chance at Schwarber. Good luck. 3 times on the randomizer. Top spot wins. 1, 2, and 3. Cardboard crack. Boom. Cardboard crack 714. Nice Schwarber hit. First time join. All right. Joey Ricard, 20 of 25. That is BGP 100. Rookie auto patch. John Gray, 67 out of 99. Clear signatures. The old 67 hole. Jason H. Fractor. From 2015, Jersey Auto Victor Martinez. Number 12 out of 25. There's Goldie 868. And made in South Korea, Byung-ho Park. Oh no! Ah. It's been a good night, man. Every break we're producing something sick. 62 of 99 on this one right here. Michael Sears again. Michael Sears with the second 62er. Huh? Xander B and Byung-ho running together. We got a cut, guys. Joe DiMaggio. Pretty sweet. Jumbo bat. Autograph Joe D. Numbered 1 of 3. Greg Thomas in the 1 hole. Congratulations, Greg. Man, that's nice, eh? Jolton Joe. Joseph DiMaggio. Nice card. Very cool stuff. That's going to do it for our break. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.